Why maps of the world are lying to you. Every world map you've ever seen is wrong. Not slightly wrong. Fundamentally wrong. The lie isn't intentional, it's mathematical. The Earth is a sphere. A map is flat. And turning a globe into a rectangle forces distortions. You can't preserve size, shape, distance, and direction all at once. Something has to give. Most maps sacrifice size. The most common map you've seen is the Mercator projection. It was created in the 1500s to help sailors navigate. It preserves direction, which is great for ships, but it wildly distorts scale. On a Mercator map, Greenland looks almost as big as Africa. In reality, Africa is about 14 times larger. Europe and North America appear oversized, while countries near the equator look much smaller than they really are. This subtly shapes how we see the world. Regions near the equator, where much of the global south exists, appear less significant. Regions closer to the poles look dominant. Over time, this visual bias affects perception, education, and even geopolitics. But Mercator isn't the only culprit. Other projections fix size but distort shape. Some stretch continents, others bend oceans. Some split land masses entirely to preserve accuracy elsewhere. There is no perfect map. Even the placement of countries is a choice. Maps often center Europe or North America, making them feel like the middle of the world. But center the map elsewhere, and your mental geography shifts instantly. The Pacific suddenly dominates. Europe becomes peripheral. Maps also lie by omission. Borders change. Disputed regions disappear. Some countries are labeled differently depending on who published the map. What looks neutral is often political. Even colors influence perception. Brighter colors draw attention. Larger text suggests importance. The map isn't just showing geography, it's telling a story. So why don't we just use globes? Because globes aren't practical for books, screens, or navigation at scale. Flat maps are compromises useful, but imperfect. The danger isn't that maps are wrong, it's that we forget they are interpretations, not reality. Every map answers one question well and lies about something else. Once you know that, you stop asking, "Is this map accurate?" and start asking the better question. Accurate for what?